Hi, welcome to Midnight Blue Art. Today's video will be a flipbook compilation of my last 4 flipbooks, but with added sound effects. Okay, let's get started. The first flipbook I created was Fire vs Ice Cream. This is a fun, silly book and I'll probably feature more ice cream characters in future flipbooks. I included one of my favourite quotes in this book. Strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from an indomitable will. Mahatma Gandhi. The next flipbook I created was the story of the Phoenix, and basically it's the story of how the Phoenix was created. My third flipbook was Tickles the Cat versus the Dot. Tickles is my own character and I plan to feature him in future flipbooks. The final flipbook I created thus far was Chrysalis. It documents the journey of the caterpillar as it becomes a butterfly. I've included a proverb in this flipbook. Just when the caterpillar thought the world was over, it became a butterfly. So there we have it, my first 4 flipbooks. I'll post more compilation videos once I create more flipbooks. Thanks for watching.